Hey guys, welcome back. It is that time again. It took me 5 hours to get this box. It's that time again. We have a Quota bag unboxing. You guys know I have so many bags from 2024 that I'm like slowly unboxing with you. So a lot of the bags that I'm unboxing still in 2025 or that I'm revealing in 2025 are from 2024. Anything that actually was purchased in 2025, I would let you know. But this is from 2024 and I am so excited about it, you guys. I'm excited. Obviously, I say that about literally everything. Like, what am I not excited about? I just can't wait for you guys to see everything that I have so it can just be out in the open and I don't have to keep doing this. So if you guys want to see my new Hermes Quota bag, which is actually not new, but it's new to you, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're going to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Hermes, you like Quota bags, I feel like this is definitely where you're going to be. So subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot, okay? We post a lot over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the unboxing.
Everything's alright with a violet sky on my skin. Ooh, baby, I feel high with a violet sky.
I'm unboxing a lot of Kellys, you guys. I know it seems like I just bought 500 Kellys, but just be patient, okay? Because the way that I revealed all of my bags, and I did explain this in like a previous unboxing, I'll link it right up here. I think it was maybe my last Kelly unboxing. The way that I ended up revealing my bags on Instagram, which by the way, you would have already seen this bag if you do follow me on Instagram, so you should definitely follow me on Instagram. I just went by whichever bags I used the most, whichever bags I had the most outfits already like taken pictures with and everything. Those are the ones that I revealed first. So I revealed my pink Birkin 30, which I'll link that unboxing up here. That was the first one that I revealed because I used that bag like freaking crazy. I used it so many times. So it just made sense for me to reveal that one first. That way I get to post all those pictures first and then move on to the blue Kelly, which was the next one that I revealed. Also, we'll have that linked up here. So that's how I decided to go about it. But the way that I'm revealing it to you is not the order in which I bought them. Actually, the first Hermes bag that I bought, the first Quota bag that I bought, I still have not revealed to you. I did on Instagram, but I did not on YouTube. So that's why I ended up kind of revealing 3 Kellys in a row. This is a Kelly 28 in Evercolor in Rouge de Coeur. Stop. Rouge de Coeur. I don't know. Rouge de Coeur. I don't know. And it's actually special because, and you wouldn't know this if you follow me on Instagram, okay? It is verso. Technically, it doesn't look verso to me, but it's verso. Maybe you can see it better with all the lights on it. This is Rouge Granat on the inside. So it is slightly, I don't know if you can tell, it's like slightly darker. That makes it a little special, right? Even though I don't actually see the difference, it makes it special. I purchased this bag from Fashion File and I did get it for above retail, but like very slightly above retail. If you guys know, Fashion File's prices for Quota bags, especially, I mean, in general, let's be honest, Fashion File's prices are like insane, but especially for Quota bags, they're batshit crazy. Like they are like through the roof. Like you can find them pretty much anywhere else except for like Madison Avenue Couture. Like their prices are ridiculous, but Fashion File's prices are usually pretty bad. So I just never really considered, why is my mic like all the way on the floor? I just never really considered that I was going to end up buying any Quota bags from Fashion File just because I know what their prices usually are like. But when I saw this one come up, and I think when I first saw it, it was not on sale, but then they had like a 10% off sale and I used that code so fast. And I picked it up and I am in love with it. I know red is not like everyone's cup of tea. And even when I had my red Chanel mini rectangle, I feel like I didn't use it that much, at least towards like the tail end. But I've been using this bag like freaking crazy. I've been using this bag so much, which is obviously why I'm revealing it. I feel like I just use colorful bags more than I use like a black bag or like a white bag. Like I use black and white bags on like tan, beige, whatever. But colorful bags, just there's something about them that I just love. I love looking at my outfit and nitpicking like a little color in the outfit and then matching my bag to that. That's just my favorite thing to do. So I guess I have a lot of outfits that have like little pieces of red in them. Now this is my third Kelly 28, and I did do an entire review on the Kelly 28, by the way. I will link it up here. And I also did a video comparing the Birkin versus the Kelly, so I'll link that up here as well. But this is my third Kelly 28 in the Retorn style. The Retorn style is my favorite. I've said this multiple times already. I just think it is so gorgeous. And especially in this Evercolor leather. A lot of people I feel like are wary of Evercolor leather. Like a lot of people had said that it's very smooth and it's like prone to getting scratched or messed up. It is definitely smoother. Like, what do I have so far? I have Togo and I have Epsom. So it is definitely smoother than both Togo and Epsom. I think between Togo and Epsom and Evercolor, Evercolor is my favorite. I do feel like there are still grains. Like if you look at this, it's not like freaking Swift. Like there are grains, but it is definitely like a little bit more buttery than Togo and Epsom. But I adore this leather. There are like so many Hermes red colors, like Rouge Decor is one. Rouge Grenat obviously is another. I mean, Rouge Grenat I feel like is more considered like a burgundy, but you just saw how close it is to this, which is like a bright ass red. So to me, Rouge Grenat is not really very burgundy. There's also like Rouge Vif. I don't know if that's even still around. Rouge Vif. Rouge Cassac is another very, very popular one. I think that Rouge Cassac and Rouge Decor are very, very similar. Rouge Tomate. I'm so bad at this pronunciation. Like I'm embarrassing myself. The point is there are so many reds to choose from. I was very much into either Rouge Cassac or Rouge Decor because I feel like they're very similar. I feel like they're kind of more vibrant, which is exactly what I wanted for my red bag. I know that a lot of people like to really diversify their collection. You guys know me. I'm boring. I'm boring as hell. So really, I'm just going to get whatever I like. Like I like a Kelly 28 in Retorn. I know I like it. So I'm just going to keep getting it. I wouldn't be opposed to a Kelly 25 in either Retorn or Cellier. I actually have a Kelly 25 and Cellier on my wish list for 2025. The Kelly 28 is obviously cheaper than the Kelly 25 is on the resale market. So that's why I just keep buying those. And really, to me, it makes no difference whatsoever. Like none. Like you don't even understand. I know a lot of people are very picky, but like it's 3 centimeters. Calm down. Like it's fine. It's fine. I have worn Kelly 28s like out to nice dinners and I have not felt out of place one time. I have no problem with it. It's a little bit extra space. I don't carry a lot of stuff. So this has definitely a lot more space than I need, but it's not like it's bulky. It's not like it's like cumbersome at all. It's very easy. And I mean, watch my review. You guys know I actually go over everything that like I put into it, but it's just so easy. Okay. And I love it. I always keep the strap inside the bag when I'm storing it. And I was obviously not using this today because that doesn't match. This bag is literally in excellent condition. After I bought this, I do this sometimes to kind of like justify things in my head. I buy stuff and then like I look later on for the same thing that I already bought just to see what the price is. I'm so stupid. I do this just to like make myself feel better. And I saw a version of this on Fashion File again, but for more than I paid for it and in worse condition. See that's a bargain. That is a bargain. That's girl math if I ever seen girl math, okay? But yeah, that is my newest Kelly 28. Let me know what you guys think about it. What is your favorite red color from Hermes? I'm actually very curious to know that because I feel like everyone has a different one. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite red shade from Hermes? And not even just red, just let me know what's your favorite color from Hermes in general. And definitely let me know what you guys think about the Kelly 28 in general. Like I said, I know a lot of people think it's pretty big or it's like on the bigger side. Let me know. Let me know what you think because I just think it's fucking perfect. But yeah, that is it for my unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. A lot of people are kind of wary of Evercolor.